If you're experiencing a server timeout error 2026 while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the timeout error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add Red Dead Redemption 2 as an exception, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.